It's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome back to a new video. And today I'm going to show you the Pro Sticker Club pack from Pipsticks. It's the classic pack for November 2022. So grab a snack and come on back and I'll show you what's inside. Well, hello friends. So this is the November 2022 November pack. It is, I don't know, Christmas vibes, winter vibes. It is like stay home and get cozy kind of vibes. So I am loving it. First of all, we get the zine from Pipsticks. This is their Pippy. And inside the zine, they have some like fun facts all about the business, how to use your stickers, some creative outlets of like how to use it, the design piece of it all, and the composition piece. And then on their Facebook group, they do like a Pipstick poll. And on the back, here is a December sneak peek. Yes, yes, yes. I see some like New Year's Eve vibes. And here's a sneak peek for the kids pack, which is so great. And I love it all. And of course, I'm going to get them both. So I love that. So no word on my affiliate code. They are quite backlogged. And no big deal because, I mean, I took my sweet time to even fill out the paperwork. Okay, so first of all, you get a sticker Ziploc. I always keep them, like I say. I keep them in my purse, in my bag. I sometimes like have money in it to give to other people. Like let's say at school we have like a donation drive or something. It's just magical. So I looked at the sticker pack. I got it this week, actually, which is the week of like December 5th to the 9th. And I am itching to record this because I'm itching to start using the stickers in my, obviously, my journaling and things like that. So first of all, we get a postcard. I'm not a fan of birds or owls or any type of flying creature. So I'm probably going to use this or give it to someone. I am not a fan of it at all. I'm actually going to hide you over here. But yes, it has some like beautiful holographic blue foliage and it's cute. It's doing its thing. It's living the dream. So I am in love with these micro stickers. Love them. I am going to say it. And I'm gonna be that person. I wish there was some type of foil, like bold foil in here. There is a bit of gold foil there, but I wish it was more bold. I really like these micro stickers to fill in when I journal. I find that it just completes like the look that I'm going for, which is just busy, creative, out of control. So here, I'll show you a quick example. So like here is not a very good example. Here, let's go somewhere else, like these little leaves. Over here, the little rainbow and stuff. I feel like in October I did a lot more of that. There, like these like black stars and circles. And yeah, I just really like to fill in my writing with these micro stickers because it just, I don't know, it makes it feel like there's no empty space. All right, but other than that, oh, let me just say, so there's obviously some snowflakes, snow people, snowmen, mugs, trees, and it is called Bits of Winter. Who am I? Out of control. Okay, this one is giving us like Tiffany gift vibes. I don't know, with little puppy dogs in a present, possum gifts, and I wouldn't call it a true blue. It's sort of this like mauve-y blue. Is that even a color? I don't even know. So yeah, really cute. Love it. This is my favorite. You guys, it's Sweater Weather. Oh my gosh. Do you love that SNL like meme? That whole, I will like put a little picture. I love that whole sketch. It's so funny. So sweater season. I love an ugly sweater. I don't call them ugly. I call them creative, really. Actually, I do call them ugly because I love them. And ugly is being amazing. So I love the pom-pom one. I am still on the search for one unless I will just make my own pom-pom sweater. And it's just so freaking cute. I love the checkered. And then this one. Whoa. Love that. Oh my gosh, there's a pink polka dot pom-pom one. Yes. Love that. I want one in real life. I want one. Okay, this I'm seeing like a camper, right? Yeah, it's like a RV, a camper. And there are these beautiful mugs filled with probably hot cocoa and marshmallows, if that's your jam, or tea or coffee. Very cute. It's, you know, kind of a little plain Jane for me, but it's a good filler. Or when I do my card making. I do like the RV. I like the curtains. It is a matte sticker with some gold foil. And that's really pretty to use for, like, you know, if you're taking a winter drive or on a little vacation. These little quotations are always fun to receive because they're a little sassy with a bit of like definite truth. So it says, "Don't talk to me until I've had my cocoa. A lazy day never hurt anyone. True story. You can find me on the couch. Don't talk to me until I've had my cocoa." So it basically says similar things. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. The Cozy Crew. I love the background. It is a matte green with some holographic rose gold foil. And I love the scallop edges. Yes, look at that. Very, very pretty. And I like the background that it's green, except not many of them have the green backing. It's a definite kiss cut. So that's really awesome to use for those lazy days. This is called Crown Cuties, and it is that beautiful wintry blue with these stunning baby blue stars. There is some type of like forest, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't think of it. I don't know, but it's very, maybe a little anthropology, very anthropology crowns. And so, yeah, they're just like looking pretty sharp and nowhere to go. Yep, this is definite card making stickers right here. Here are some like wintry owls. Forgive me, certain friends, if you're watching my video and you might get a Christmas card from me. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use these for you guys. I'm sorry. That's just the vibe, okay? Plus, I'm sure other people would appreciate it, right? So yeah, this is enough of that. But yes, more owls. Okay, this is so cute. Let's wrap. I love wrapping paper. I love bows. I have a massive collection in our decoration closet, and I love wrapping gifts. And it sucks when a gift is not in a box because then I have to be very creative. But did you know on YouTube there is a ton of videos showing you how to wrap presents? I have to definitely sharpen my skills. I love the hollow gold foil in there. I love the presents. I love the, you know, the whole composition, the poinsettia, all these things. Super, super wonderful for the December Christmas month. And then here you get to build your own sweater, and it's called It's Gonna Get Ugly. It's gonna get ugly, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to make a ugly sweater. I might do this on my week at a glance in my Hobonichi, but I want to see it all the time. So I don't know, I'll see. Maybe an ugly sweater every like Monday entry. I don't know. But yes, it's filled with different like embellishments that you can add to your ugly sweater. It is paired with holographic gold foil, my favorite. And so that's going to be soups fun to create. And I love this one as well. I love tea, and it is very cozy to me. I like my tea black. Like, I don't like milk or sugar or any of that stuff unless it's a London Fog, which is Earl Grey, vanilla, and I like it with almond milk because I'm a lactose or something. So look at how cozy, and the gingerbread. Oh my gosh, and the cookies, the chocolate chip cookies. There's one of the chocolate chip cookies. And it's called Too Cozy Teapots. Very new. I was gonna say cute and then also new, but whatever. Okay, again, more birds. I'm not mad at this one, I have to say. It is looking really pretty. And this is, it's interesting. It's holographic foil, but it's like a purple tinge. It's very cool. The birds, the cardinals, stunning. We have a bunch of cardinals that live in our blue spruces and evergreens and stuff around our area. So it's very majestic. It's called Home Sweet Home. And then, where do they come up with these names? Do they take polls? I wonder. I'm not mad at it. I love it. This is called Decked Out Wreaths. Same thing. I love a wreath, guys. Maybe I'll post pictures of like our house wreaths. But I have a wreath for every season, every celebration. Well, not every celebration, but like Canada Day, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas. What else? What else do I have? Halloweeny, of course. Fall, for sure. Spring, summer. I have a bunch of wreaths. So I love this. The embellishments. I can't wait to Google and see what other people do. But I can't wait to decorate my own little wreaths because that's my jam. Oh, and Easter. All right, and coming up near the end, I love these washi strips, sticker strips, border strips, whatever you want to call them, paired with holographic foil. I love the, what are those, like poppers, right? Would you believe I've never popped one? I should just buy some this year and like do it for like New Year's or something. So I love the gifts. The gifts are stellar. Very cute. And I like this like pastel blue pink Christmas vibe. In my spread, I'll show you near the end what I did. And then we get these like beautiful candy cane striped like alphabet letters. Now the camera's not doing justice, but it is this like candy cane pink. It's really, really pretty. And it's paired with that sparkle holographic foil, which I love. And I hope you can see that, but it's like a pink. It's showing up a little bit darker on the camera. It's very, very cute. And it literally is called Candy Cane Alphabet. It's probably those like expensive candy canes that are strawberry. Those are the ones I love. Anyways, oh, wait. Look at this, by the way. We get a die cut. You guys, I'm so stoked. I've always loved an Etch-a-Sketch. I suck at it. But I can't wait to put this on my, like, magnetic wall. I'm going to put a little magnet and have it there. The original tablet. There you go. And it says Etch-a-Sketch. Magical Etch-a-Sketch. I love this. Freaking love it. Shake, shake, shake. So, before you go, here is those, like, winter pink months. So, going back to, like, those stickers with the pink. Those will look really stellar here. And then I think I had an entry here with some pinks over here. So, I mean, I am just, yes, this is so cute. Like, I love traditional Christmas colors, but I do like the pink and the pastel and the blue pastel colors for, like, decorating. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for always coming by. If I don't get to film another video, I wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays. Don't forget, you are amazing. Keep stickering, keep having fun, and just remember, this is our happy place. And what's more happier than stickers, right? Anyways, talk to you guys soon. Bye.